Go figure, day number 12. But then Max started laughing. I'm just kidding you, he said. I know you are the Spaniard, but not a Spaniard. I listen to your podcast. I've read your books. I know your story. I don't mind that you're not Hispanic like me. We are both the same. We are proud of where we are from. Your fight name just makes this project that much more special to me. Whew. I'm glad you feel that way, I said. I'm ready to say yes, I added, but here's why I can't. Lesson on the left. Hispanic has different meanings, but broadly speaking, it means the people and culture of Spain or other Spanish-speaking countries. A fight name is a nickname given to a professional fighter. The Rock and the Spaniard are fight names, or you could call them ring names. So the first lesson on the left there, Hispanic has different meanings, but broadly speaking, it means the people and culture of Spain or other Spanish-speaking countries. So Spain is a country. There are many other countries. I believe there's 23. I think it's either 22 or 23. It's been a while since I've brushed up on my Spanish teaching background knowledge, but 22 or 23 different Spanish speaking countries across the country. And every one of those Spanish speaking countries has their little differences and nuances to the Spanish language. So you could say one thing in Spain and say it in Mexico and have it be completely different and also have it sound different. And a way that helped me kind of understand that is think of the United States, think of England, think of Scotland, think of Ireland, think of all of these different places that speak English, Wales. I remember I had a fight friend from Wales, and I could hardly understand what he was saying. It's English, but he has a Welsh accent, and it was very difficult to understand. So there are many countries that do speak Spanish across the world, but each country has their own little different nuances. And then the second part of that, a fight name is a nickname given to a professional fighter. It would be fun for you to think of your fight name. If you were to become a professional fighter or a professional wrestler, what would your fight name be?